Miranda is shopping at a garden supply store. She wants to buy a bench for her garden.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a bench for my garden. What would you recommend?
What about our garden storage bench? This is one of our best sellers. It comes in brown and beige, and it's made of 100% durable recycled plastic.
It does look pretty nice.
It's also UV resistant, termite resistant, and water resistant.
How many people can it sit?
It can sit 3 people. It also has a storage capacity of 265 liters.
That's great. That way I can store lounge cushions there.
And anything you want to keep dry and ventilated. This bench is also lockable. Better yet, it's on sale now, 20% off.
Oh, great. I'll buy one. How soon can you deliver it?